This tiny titanium ring, barely 4 grams, so light you'll forget it's even there, doesn't just toss generic numbers at you. It actually gets you. Over 13 health features packed into this sleek little thing with a clinical grade heart tracker, a sharp AI coach named Kira, and no pointless fluff. And here's where it gets spicy. This thing pulled in nearly $2.5 million on crowdfunding because people are hyped about what it can do. Thanks to all that backing, they unlocked features like blood pressure tracking and blood glucose monitoring, yep, from your finger. No cuffs, no pricks, no drama. Those updates are rolling out soon via free over-the-air updates and no extra fees attached. But if you're thinking about grabbing one just for those future features, maybe hold off. Companies love to promise the moon and deliver a flashlight, so you don't want to get stuck banking on a promise. Now here's something cool. It reads your heart's electrical signals right from your finger. Fun fact, that's actually one of the cleanest spots to get an accurate reading. Then there's Kira, the AI sidekick. It chews through over 140 biometric markers to figure out what's going on with your body specifically, not someone else's average, your patterns. It serves up legit personalized recommendations, whether it's how you should recover after a brutal week or if your stress levels are creeping up. And speaking of stress and recovery, this thing isn't just about heart rates and sleep scores. The Circular Ring 2 is constantly tracking your vital health metrics 24/7. Heart rate, sleep patterns, stress levels, activity, and how well you're actually bouncing back. The advanced sensors inside this tiny ring keep tabs on real-time data like HRV, blood oxygen levels, skin temperature, and movement, giving you a proper 360-degree view of your physical and mental health. No guessing, no generic averages, it's your body, your data. And for women, it gets even better. The ring tracks changes in sleep, temperature, mood, and energy alongside menstrual cycles, predicting fertile windows and periods more accurately than your typical app. It actually connects those predictions to what your body's doing in real time, which is kinda genius. Battery, 1 week per charge. And the charging case is so good, you'll probably forget where your charging cable even is. It's waterproof too, like swim, shower, no problem. And the design, clean. Available in obsidian black, gold, silver, and rose gold, so it looks just as good at a wedding as it does in the gym. Plus, and this part matters, your data stays yours. No creepy third-party sales. It's GDPR and HIPAA compliant, fully encrypted, and you're in control. So yeah, tiny ring, huge upgrade. Tracks more, understands you better, and doesn't stick you with a monthly subscription bill. Honestly, about time somebody made a health tracker that actually makes sense. Well, that's it for this video. Peace.